Hello friends! Add half a stick of softened butter in a bowl, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Take your mixer and beat everything together until creamy. As you mix, notice how the butter lightens in color and becomes fluffy. This step is key to a soft, tender cake. The sugar should dissolve into the butter, creating a smooth base without any grains. Crack in 1 egg. Make sure the egg is fully blended into the butter mixture before adding the next one. This prevents curdling and keeps the texture even. The batter should look glossy and slightly thicker at this stage. Then add the second egg and beat again. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so happy for you to join our little community. Your support truly means the world to me. Watch how the mixture becomes even smoother and slightly thicker. This is exactly what we want. Next, add half a cup or 120 grams of sour cream. Switch to a whisk and stir by hand. This gentle mixing keeps the batter light and prevents overmixing, which is so important for a tender crumb. Add 1½ teaspoons of baking powder in a bowl with 1 1/3 cups or 170 grams of flour. Stir well so the baking powder spreads evenly. Then add half of the dry mixture straight into the wet ingredients. Mix slowly at first so the flour doesn't scatter, then continue until the mixture looks smooth and uniform. You don't need to work it too long, just make sure there are no visible streaks of flour. Now, add the remaining dry mixture and mix again, this time paying attention to the bottom and edges of the bowl so nothing is left unmixed. Gentle mixing at this stage keeps the batter airy and prevents the cake from turning dense after baking. If you have any questions about the recipe or need any tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. Next, in a blender, add 3½ ounces or 100 grams of walnuts, 3½ ounces or 100 grams of almonds. Pulse until finely chopped, but not powdery. You want some crunch left for texture. Transfer to a bowl. 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar. Add a 1/4 stick or 50 grams of melted butter. Mix well until the nuts are evenly coated. I always enjoy hearing where you're watching from, so let me know in the comments. What country, state, or city are you in today? I love seeing pictures of your cities, and I truly enjoy how you all connect in the comments. Take a baking dish and pour in half of the batter, letting it settle naturally in the center. A smooth, level base helps the filling spread evenly and bake beautifully. Now, spread evenly with a spoon. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps my channel grow. Add the nut filling, spreading it gently over the batter so it forms an even layer. Leave just a little space around the edges. This helps the layers stay neat when you slice the cake. Reserve a few spoonfuls of the filling for the very top. Pour the rest of the batter over the nuts and smooth it out. Sprinkle the remaining nut mixture on top. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Take the cake out of the oven and let it sit for just a few minutes. The aroma of warm butter and toasted nuts immediately fills the kitchen and makes it hard to wait. Cut a piece while it's still warm. The cake is soft and tender, and the nut layer inside is sweet and crunchy. It's the kind of dessert that feels cozy and comforting, perfect to enjoy right away, with a cup of tea or coffee. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope it makes your home feel warm and cozy too. Until next time, happy cooking!